I'm Ashley, and this is Ashley's Budget and Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being a part of my team. Now, today is another sad day. I'm emptying out another one of my savings challenges before it's complete. But the fact that I have the money saved and put away is a plus anyway. So I'm happy about that. This is my 100 envelope, my modified, I always miss to say modified, my modified 100 envelope savings challenge. I got 1, 2, 3, almost 3.5 envelopes finished. If you would like to see or me explain, if you would like to understand what the 100 envelope is and how I decided to do my version of that, then you could definitely go to my video that says 100 envelope, modified 100 envelope explained, or something like that. You type in 100 envelope and you'll get it. As you can see, does not have any small bills, 50s and 20s. And if I would have completed it, it would have 100s in it as well. But gotta get some bills paid the end of this month, beginning of next month. So this is where we are. Can y'all see? Yeah, I can see. So let's start with the 50s. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Hold on. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 5700. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 84, 80. So there you have it, folks. I was able to save $1,180 in 6 months with this particular challenge. I'll be coming right back with another quick video of how I'm going to divvy all this up. Until next time, peace.